Hi guys, this is Trizer.co and we welcome you to our very first YouTube and unboxing video. What we have here, it is the iPad Pro 256GB Wi-Fi Space Gray. At the time of this video, Apple just announced its latest version of the iPad Air, which looks very similar to iPad Pro. However, the processors are different, the display is different. There are a couple of things that makes the iPad Pro 2020 worth buying. First off, it has a 120Hz ProMotion display, which means however you run the iPad, the apps, right, it runs buttery smooth. And especially it works very well with the Apple Pencil. Aside from that, yes, it is true that the A14 Bionic chip works better, but only on single core performance, whereas in the multi-core performance, iPad Pro works better. Here we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. In Singapore, we are using the 3-pin plug adapters. Let's see how Apple does it for the iPad Pro. It seems that they're designed in such a way whereby you can fold the pins inside, which makes it very compact. It is ideal for traveling.
Oh, dude.
Like those regular plugs then you wanna put inside your pocket and the pins kind of like poke on your leg. Nope, you won't have this problem. Yes, Apple stickers. Instruction manual. Yeah, but we ain't got time for that, so here's a quick look. Now for the main event. As I said before, it is always such a pleasure to unbox an Apple product. And this is why. Apple takes great pride in their packaging, and I give them 100%. Space gray, guys. So we're just gonna put it up and leave it to the side because we've also got a casing for this iPad Pro. Here we have a case from Dux Ducis OSOM Series. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but yeah. It is similar to your typical folio casing, but the difference is that the pencil holder is located on the right side, the camera side of the iPad Pro, which is basically the charging side. So you can charge it and tuck it at the same time, which is very convenient. It is made of hard plastic and it has a felt fabric to it. However, it is a lint magnet, so you gotta like wipe off the dust every now and then. It's minimalist, so you can put your stickers on it, or if you want to look very professional. Next is the Apple Pencil. Here in Singapore, it costs 189 Singapore dollars. the Apple Pencil. So how do you guys use your pencil? The 3-finger method, or you spin around to calm your anxiety, or like John Wick? Let's not talk about that. Let's put that aside. So let's put this on together. Application is easy, fits snug.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Sometimes I wonder the reason why Apple has all these different languages is because like they do not know who their user is, so they'll just spam every language in the world. So definitely one of the languages suit their customer. So as I mentioned, it's like a folio case. It folds into a triangle. Next, I'll also show you that you can actually put your pencil vertically. So in the case like you are midway doing a sketch or any designs, you can just tuck it that way. It's very nifty. So this is what they'll prompt you to do as you on your iPad. I'm just gonna skip a lot. Hang on guys, I'm gonna do a Face ID. We're back. True tone display. Basically what it is, it adjusts the tone of the display to match the environment. Make it more warmer or cooler to make it easier on the eyes. Dark mode or light mode. I think dark looks better. At least you won't strain your eyes when you're using in the night, for reasons. Okay. The case has magnets, so when you close it, it puts the iPad to sleep. As you can see, the magnet works quite well, but if you were to flick it very hard, it will come off also. Cutouts are clean, precise. Volume buttons are a little bit hard to press. And so is the power button. 2 speaker grills, 2 mics on each side. Face ID works very fast. The Apple Pencil. So we're coming to the end of the video. We would like to thank you for joining this journey with us. Till next time guys, have a good one.